Are you ready to discover a university that feels like home? Welcome to Northwestern Oklahoma State University, where success lives here. The professors here care about you. They know your name, your goals, and they're always available to help you succeed. Campus life is fun. From homecoming to clubs and intramurals, there's always something to do and people to meet. Whether you're a student, an athlete, or a fan, Ranger Pride is everywhere. You really feel like part of a family here. Northwestern offers hands-on experiences in your major from day one. Feel prepared for your career. With affordable tuition, scholarships, and a tight-knit community, Northwestern Oklahoma State University is a place where you can thrive. 60% of our students graduate with zero debt. Northwestern Oklahoma State University. Your future starts here. Success lives here.